Hello guys, I am V. Sai Srinivas of ninth class. So today I am going to tell you a story. The Four Brahmins. So once upon a time, four Brahmins lived in a village. So they they were Som, Vesh, Jivan and Buddh. So they were trained by a sage named Guruji. So they lived along with him and learned many skills. Som could mend a broken pot. Jeevan could attach a fallen dead leaf to a plant, and Vesh could heal a wound without touching. So these three Brahmins were very talented and they learned many skills. But Buddha, he was the slowest at learning. So he didn't learn any kind of skills because he was unable to concentrate. So he was unable to mend a pot, unable to attach a leaf to a fallen plant, and he was unable to heal without touching. So the three other Brahmins made fun of him all the time, saying, "You are you don't have any kind of skills, you are not educated, we are more talented than you." So after a few days, Som, Vesh, and Jeevan decided to travel out of the village so that they can learn more things than they are learning now and gain even more talent. So they decided to take Buddha along with them too. So they are going through the forest. They got tired and they sat on a rock. So while the four Brahmins sat on a rock, Buddha had observed a pile of bones lying on the ground. He was scared and he said the three others, "Look at that. What is that?" So right then right then, Som said that they are the skeletons of a lion and he could prove it. So with his skills he rearranged the bones of the lion and made the skeleton of the lion. He said that I am more talented than them. So then then after Som did this, he uh, Jeevan says that he will give flesh and also eyes, hair, tail, claws, and everything like this to the lion. And he Buddha says, "Why are you doing it? There is no need." But Jeevan doesn't listen and continues it, and he says some kind of enchantments, and all the skeleton glows bright, and all the flesh, eyes, everything returns. So it is a dead lion lying on the ground now. So now the last one, that is Vesh, says that that is not anything unless it have life. So he says, "I am more talented than three of you and I will give it back its life." Says, "Don't do that. The lion will wake up and kill you all." But they mock him and don't listen to him. So he requests them that, "Please let me climb a tree. Only then I could find who is more talented in the three of you." So Vesh lets him to climb the tree. So after that, Vesh says some kind of enchantments and the lion gets back its life. So after waking up, it gives a huge roar, and while the three Brahmins are celebrating, it just jumps on them and kills all of them and ate them up. So Buddha had watched all the scene from above the tree and saved his life. So moral of the story is, guys, we should think before we act. If these three Brahmins thought what happens next after giving their life to the lion, it may not have happened.